everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Okeke Chizoba. I am a teacher and an entrepreneur. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. To my new subscribers, because I know that you are going to subscribe to my channel, you are also welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, hit on the bell notification so that you are not going to miss any of my important videos. So in today's video, I am going to answer the question a lot of people have been asking me lately. Okay, I am going to answer the question, and I believe that the question is also important to you that don't know the answer. Okay, so the question is all about what type of stories can I upload in this web novel site or ghostwriting site that I have mentioned in my previous videos, or what type of stories do those sites accept? Okay, so I'm going to answer that question. I have 4 genres that they accept and many tropes that they can accept. So that's why I will urge you to watch till the end of this video so that you are going to grab something. Okay, before then, bring out your pen and paper to write something down. Okay, the first genre, from my observation, research, and knowledge gathered from people that have been into this business for years, the first one is werewolf romance novels. Okay, and under this werewolf romance novels, the first troop, or I will not say the first, the troops under it, we have the second chance mate, we have the rejected mate, we have the betrayal, we have sold, we have contract marriage, we have secret babies, we have arranged marriage, we have sold, we have reborn or rebirth. Also, we have reverse harem. That is the troops under werewolf romance novel. Okay, the second genre is billionaire romance novel. Okay, and under this billionaire romance novel, we have the troops like CEO stroke secretary love, forbidden romance, arranged marriage, contract marriage, secret babies, betrayals, one night stand, and many more. All these things that I am talking about is based on my own research. That is why I urge you to sharpen your research skills. Okay, then the third genre being accepted in some of the sites, not all, is mafia romance. And under this mafia romance, we have the sold, the arranged marriage, secrets, a lot more. Okay, and the fourth one is specifically for a site that I am going to show you now. Okay, this genre is all about son-in-law. So you are going to go over to this site called Meganovel. This is the site that I'm talking about, m.meganovel.com. So this is the site. The app can only work on iPhones. Okay, but you can go through the website to read novels. Okay, this is it. As you can see, hot searches. This is hot searches in Meganovels, son-in-law novels. Okay, then if you open it, you can see the troops. You can see comedy, mature love, romance, drama, secret, son-in-law, and many more. So that's why it is advisable, if you want to write for a site, you go through the site, read about them, know the type of story they do accept. Go there, read more of it. If you don't know how to write, if you don't like werewolf, you cannot understand werewolf or billionaire romance, you can also put the idea, all these things, they are the same, just for you to understand what is happening there. Then you can just, idea doesn't fall from the sky. Ideas falls from you reading and researching. Okay, And I have answered this question, and this is the only platform that I can reach out to so many. That's why I'm dropping it here. Then if you want a specified or a special treat on how to write books and how to get contracts, you can DM me. Until then, see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.